Good evening, South Sudanese. This is Ruth Nyalel James Kai. I'm here to comment on few things. You know, reality have to be said and the truth have to be said, right? The reason why all of us think that Bolmel was the problem was because Bolmel took this issue personal. He took it personal and he put his effort and energy in it. And then he looked like he is the problem. But at the end of the day, all the instructions come from President Kiir himself. Now, I'm here to say, President Kiir have been very smart in how to handle South Sudanese. He will come out, look for someone that he will use to clean his mess, to clean his problems that he have done. And Bolmel happened to be one of the people that became victims. Bolmel done it extraordinary. He killed the people of Nasser. He killed the people of Ayod. He killed Nuer people seriously. He did it without reservation. He killed the Nuer people. Bolmel killed the Nuer people. But when you look back, it is not Bolmel who killed the people. It is Salva Kiir himself who killed the Nuer people. What Salva Kiir usually do is, he always look for someone that he will use to clean the mess that he have done, to clean his name. Like I remember, he acted so smartly. He brought Tutka for the Nuer people to be happy. He removed Bolmel for the Dinka people to be happy because they don't want Bolmel, and to the Nuer people because they think that it was Bolmel that killed the Nuer people, that it was Salva Kiir himself who was the driver of South Sudan, who was the engine of the Nasser incident. But he used Bolmel. He cleaned Bolmel in the name of, now we see Salva Kiir like he's a good leader by removing Bolmel, but he was the one who appointed Bolmel. My question to the South Sudanese, I am questioning you. Until when will Salva Kiir continue to use other people to clean his mess and he continue to be praised like a leader? And he's not a leader. Salva Kiir is not a leader. Salva Kiir is a killer. Salva Kiir is a destroyer. Salva Kiir is anti-development. Salva Kiir have been in leadership for 20 years and there's no development. Only corruption continue to increase every minute. Just like all of us have seen, all the investment of South Sudan is in Salva Kiir family. Everything. And he brought her daughter also, Adut, to clean everything. After I have analyzed everything, I'll finally find out Salva Kiir is using everybody, including the daughter, to clean his name. But in the history of the leadership of South Sudan, Salva Kiir will still continue to go down in the history as one of the worst presidents that have killed the South Sudanese in the history of South Sudan. But I am speaking as Ruth now, I'm not speaking as a human rights activist. I'm not speaking like anything in the world. But I'm speaking as a South Sudanese daughter that was born in South Sudan and is a South Sudanese. And Salva Kiir, you are a devil. Even a devil is better than you. You have killed our South Sudanese. You have killed our people. And it is the right time for you to resign, Salva Kiir Mayardit. Step down. You still have time to clean your name. Step down in South Sudan as a president. Give back our country back to us. People vote for you. Innocent children pretend to be 18 years so that they could be able to vote and vote for independence. But you, we thought that we were finally going to have a home, but you have turned our home to be a nightmare. You sent journalism to become a dream. We have journalists that instead of doing their job, they have stand to be sycophants so that they can be able to support you and be accepted in the system and continue to live in South Sudan. But my message here is, going to South Sudan is, the government frustrated me to a level of, I felt only being a Nuer but not a South Sudanese. But from today, I am a South Sudanese. And I'm calling everybody. I am calling the youths, calling the elders, calling the politicians that have bowed down, leave the truth and continue to follow Salva Kiir leadership. Is Salva Kiir himself. Let all of us call Salva Kiir to resign. Let Salva Kiir give back the leadership to us, the innocent citizen of South Sudan. We suffered for 21 years. Again, we suffered for another years for Salva Kiir leadership. Neither Dinka or Nuer or Equatorial or Chiluk that are suffering. Everybody in South Sudan is suffering. It is high time that we need to ask Salva Kiir to hand over our country back to us, so that we can build our beautiful South Sudan. Surely, we are the last born of the world. We have enough resources that God himself gave us. I feel ashamed sometimes when I hear in the news and everywhere that South Sudan is the poorest country, because God gave us enough resources. The resources that are in South Sudan are not anywhere in the world. We need to build our country. And us being the last born, that gives us advantage because the technology is already outside there. We just have to put in the context of South Sudan and build our country. To all activists that have fled the country, to all the organizations, to all the embassies and all the partners that were so eager and went to South Sudan so that they can be able to do something good for South Sudanese, but now left the country, I'm here to tell all of you, help us to be able to remove the Salva Kiir leadership, because that is not leadership. With South Sudanese, we are humble people, loving people, people that embrace peace, people that love unity, people that embrace humanity and togetherness, people that eat together, laugh together and cry together. Help us to remove this leadership of Salva Kiir so that we can be able to have a country that we can call our own, and to build that country, to make the whole world proud, because we have responsibility as the last born of the world. To being the youngest nation in the world, we have to now be the one to show the best technology the world that have produced. Thank you. Salva Kiir must go.